On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram music stories. So all what you have to do is very simple, guys. Just open the settings on your phone. Don't open Instagram, and then go to the apps. Go to apps, and right here on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is search for Instagram right here, and click on it. After you click on it, then go to permissions. Make sure to enable those permissions right here. Go back, click on storage, click here on clear data, and then click on clear cache. Go back. Now, the last thing you have to do is go to the power usage details, scroll down, click on this force stop. Now, all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.